Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. See, this is the drawing. This total length is 100 millimeter and the width is 160 millimeter. Also, there is an empty slot. The distance of this empty slot is 52 millimeter and 100 minus 52, which is equal to 48, and 48 divided by 2, 24. So 24 will be on this side and 24 will be on this side. Also, the distance of this slot is 12 millimeter and this height is 12 millimeter. So this slot is 12 by 12 millimeter. Also, the total height is 24 millimeter and the height of this empty slot is 10 millimeter. And this distance is 32 millimeter, and we will make this slot by using rip command, and the thickness is 12 millimeter. Also, there is another slot. The outer radius is 30 millimeter, which means the diameter is 60 millimeter. And also, the diameter of inner circle is 30 millimeter, and the distance from the center of inner circle to the top of this line is 42 millimeter. And also, the width is 76 millimeter. So these are the dimensions and all the dimensions are in millimeter. So now let's jump to the tutorial. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file and click OK. Change the unit system into GS system. Now select the front plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This total length is 100 millimeter and the total height is 24 millimeter. Click OK. Now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select here Blind and type 160 millimeter. Click OK. Now select the base, sketch and draw a corner rectangle. Escape. Now go to Smart Dimension. This height is 10 millimeter and from the corner the distance is 24 millimeter and this length is 52 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut and select here Through All. Click OK. See. Now again select this base, sketch, again draw a corner rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This is 12 by 12, so type 12. And this is also 12 millimeter. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here Through All. Click OK. See, now we want the same slot on the other side. So go to Mirror and select here Right Plane and Features to Mirror. Select here this. Click OK. See. Okay, now we want to make a slot. Select this face and sketch. Okay, now go to Line Command. Select this point. Draw a line. and now we want a curve, so again come back to this point, and this will automatically convert a line into a curve. And now again click on this point and make a closed structure. See, now escape, click OK. Now go to smart dimension, and this radius is 30 millimeter. Also, I forgot to draw a circle, so click OK. Draw a circle from the center. Go to smart dimension. The diameter of inner circle is 30 millimeter, and from the center to this top line, the distance is 42 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to features, extruded boss face, and select this face. Okay, now reverse the direction and type here 76 millimeter. Click OK. See? Okay, now go to rib and select here right plane and normal. Now go to line command. From this point to the tangent, draw a line. See, there is a symbol of tangent, which means that the line is tangent to the circle. Now click OK and escape. To make sure whether this line is tangent or not, just simply click on this line, press the Control key and select this curve. And see, there is a symbol of tangent, so simply click on this and OK. Now exit the sketch and type here 12 millimeter. See, the direction is inward. Now click OK and see, Control 7. Now for the appearance, select the whole part, go to appearances and select any color you want. I am okay with this color. Click OK. See, our part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.